Here is my heart rate sensor. Currently I have it stopped right now, but I will place my finger on here and you can use these buttons to zoom in and zoom out. And it is pretty sensitive on how I place my finger. Here I should also mention, this is my amplification circuit. It amplifies the signal coming out of the sensor by 7.5 times, around that anyways. So the signal comes through here, goes over here, gets amplified, then is sent back over here to this pin right here, and then the PIC has a much easier time reading the signal coming out. Here is my heart rate sensor. I'll first demonstrate it using the joystick just to show my code off a little bit, and then I will place my finger on the sensor and actually use this. This button on the right here is to zoom in and zoom out, and that's by a factor of 2 every single time. Here's the heart rate sensor that I'll be putting my finger on, but I will demonstrate with the joystick first. So here, just to show off my code, I have it hooked up to the joystick. We can zoom in. Zoom in a little more. Zoom out a little bit. Zoom way out. Maybe one more in. Okay, now I will demonstrate it with my finger on the sensor. So here is it reading my pulse right now. We'll zoom in a little bit. Here I have it fairly zoomed in. My hand's a little shaky and the sensor's pretty sensitive, so I'm getting a couple false readings here. Let me try to steady my hand here. Here, to keep my hand steadier, I taped the sensor to my finger.